Hello, welcome to another video. You came back for more. In this video, this G-plan mid-century drop leaf table will be the star of the show. I picked this up for £20 from Marketplace. It had been left out in all weathers in somebody's back garden. On the surface it looks to be in poor condition, but it's actually a really sturdy table. It just needs to be made beautiful again, and that's where I come in. I got straight on with the scraping as there was such a lot to do. As you can see here, there is a lot of ink stains on the surface. Let's hope I can get that off, because it's not exactly Picasso. It's a good job I find scraping and sanding therapeutic. I left the table in one piece while I scraped and sanded the surface. And now that's done, it's time to take the table apart. Some of the screw heads were wrecked, so I needed to drill through using a metal drill bit in order to remove the screw. I soaked all the hardware in a rust remover overnight. There was a grand total of 4 of these fiddly legs to sand. It was very satisfying to see the dark stain disappear. it revealed the lovely natural wood underneath, which has amazing grain. I have done a little bit of research on the table, and I believe the wood underneath is teak. Here I'm just applying oxalic acid, which is a wood bleach, and it is really useful for removing stains. I then used white spirit to neutralise the oxalic acid. Because the wood came up so lovely, I decided to use a natural wood oil to accent the grain. So I used Danish wood oil. When you apply it, it darkens the wood ever so slightly, but it provides a protection against things like moisture and UV light. These two beams were clearly different types of wood. I'm no expert, but I think these ones are made from mahogany. Time to take a break now with those two crazy Cocker Spaniels, Charlie and Sully, the Beach Boys. That's enough now, boys. Time to get back to work. After using rust remover on the hardware, I then boiled it in vinegar, and then I polished it with Barkeeper's Friend. And these hinges came up really nicely. The bigger hinges that support the leaves on the table didn't come up as nice. So I sprayed those hinges with a gold spray paint. And here I'm just reassembling the table legs, which is easier said than done. I used Restorer finish on the underside of the table surface. I decided to use a whitewash on the table surface in the hope that it would complement. To achieve this whitewash look, I mixed 1 part of white furniture paint to 10 parts water. Then I applied a generous amount to the surface, left it for about 1 minute. Then I gently wiped it off with a dry, clean cloth. And finally I applied 2 coats of polyurethane varnish to the surface. This was hands down my favourite part, because in addition to sealing the paint in and offering a protection, I think it really transformed the tabletop, and I absolutely love the colour. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you come back for more. Enjoy the final results.